Hello, today I will guide you on how to install TeamViewer on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS Linux step by step. Step 1, download TeamViewer. Open your favorite browser and search for TeamViewer. Click on the first result from TeamViewer.com. Make sure you are on the English page. If not, switch the language. Click on the free download button. Select Linux as your operating system. Choose Ubuntu x86 64-bit dib file. Wait for the download to complete. Step 2, install TeamViewer. Open the folder where the deb file is downloaded, right-click on the .deb file, and select Open with App Center. The App Center will open with TeamViewer listed. Click the Install. Enter your Ubuntu password when prompted and press Enter. Click Authenticate to confirm the installation. Wait for the installation to complete. Step 3, launch TeamViewer. Click on Show Apps at the bottom of your screen. Search for TeamViewer in the app list. Click on the TeamViewer icon to launch the application. Read and accept the license agreement by checking the box and clicking Continue. Now you can start using TeamViewer on your Ubuntu system. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.